Hi, foodies. You know what? It just popped into my head that not everybody knows what to do with certain ingredients. My friend Ellen, which you guys need to follow at Ellen's Healthy Kitchen, reminded me yesterday because she was about to throw out some tortillas and I was like, what? So I had some frozen tortillas in my freezer and I wanted to show you what I do with tortillas. I treat them like a vehicle. Some people find them bland because they don't really have any flavor. It's just cornmeal and water. That's all these tortillas are. These are actually called arepas. They're Colombian arepas. But for some other countries, they call them tortillas and they have them in different shapes, different sizes. They're smaller, they're bigger, they're thicker. Some you can slice down the middle and use them as two vehicles, like a sandwich. So I top them like a tostada and I put different stuff. So just think of it like a pizza. So I'm going to make a Mexican pizza. And for this Mexican pizza, I'm going to use no salt added black beans, and I'm going to take them straight out of the can. I'm being lazy. I haven't really cooked any dry beans since I got back from vacation. I've been taking the lazy route and using my canned no salt added beans. The only ingredient in this can of black beans is black beans. So make sure that when you buy ingredients at the grocery store and buy foods at the grocery store that they're whole foods and that they do not have any extra ingredients. So did you know that you can make hummus out of black bean? Yep, hummus out of black bean. It doesn't have to be chickpeas. So I'm going to put some pepper in here because I'm about to put turmeric. And when you use turmeric, you want to make sure and always activate it by adding pepper to it. The way that turmeric gets activated is by adding pepper to it. So I added some pepper. It activates the turmeric so that it absorbs into your body better. I'm going to put some chipotle powder. I'm going to try not to put a ton because last time I killed us was with heat. I didn't realize this chipotle powder had a lot of heat. And I'm going to add some Mexican fiesta spices that are just Mexican flavored spices. And I'm going to hope that I don't sneeze through this, and some hatch chili peppers. So, and that's it. And then I'm going to blend it just like I would a hummus. And I'm going to get it smooth. And I'm going to smear it onto my arepa or my tortilla. And then I'm going to top it with cucumbers and with tomatoes and with green onions. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of nooch into my black bean mixture. Why? Because if you can add flax meal, hemp hearts, nutritional yeast, chia seeds to any of your recipes, do so if it enhances the flavor, but also if you add it, it's going to give it a bit of umami. So nutritional yeast gives it a nutty, salty flavor because nutritional yeast is naturally salty. So there we go. That's it. There's my black beans. I'm going to spread it onto my tortilla arepa. And I'm going to have some open-faced tortillas to eat. So if you have the smaller ones, you can also do this. If you have the bigger ones, like this one, they're like miniature individual pizzas. That's kind of what I consider them, a vehicle for your creations. So go find yourself some whole food plant-based tortillas or arepas at your local Hispanic market. Sometimes Walmart even has them. And then see what toppings you can put on them. They're a great vehicle for whole foods. Look at this. I'm doing some cucumbers and I'm doing some tomatoes and I'm going to put some green onions. And it is a beautiful individual little pizza. Bye, foodies. Hope you're having a happy day.